Hello friends, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. So this is about apprentice position with this company called Itron, and I'm going to cover all the details about this position, and this will be again an excellent opportunity for all the students who are looking for apprentice. And this is for the company called Itron, and which is one of the Nasdaq listed companies. So it's a top 600 companies public listed, and it is in the area of technology. That's a IT company. And in terms of its foundation, so it's a company which was started in 1977. So it's basically 48-year-old company, and it is headquartered in Washington, USA. So its main products is like smart meter modules, smart grid software solutions, and etc. So one of the devices from that company, you can see its 2021 revenue was $2 billion. So it would be around $303 billion company, and total employee strength at that point was 5,600 to 7 to 8,000 staff will be there as of now. So this is again an apprentice opportunity. So after you get confirmed, right, on the apprentice, after your good work, then your package can be between 8 lakhs to 15 lakhs depending on your experience as well. So this is again the hybrid it's a work from home plus office, and its location is Bangalore. This was posted 30 days ago, and the job code for this position is JR1010100. This is the complete details, and I'll give the description link at the end. So apprentice IT solutions delivery trainee, right, and location is Bangalore, India. So in terms of qualification, first, as an intern, will provide multiple activities to include but not limited to following: knowledge of SQL, PLSQL, knowledge of understanding of any ERP application, desired to have of knowledge of Oracle EBS, which is Enterprise Business Suite, and assist in the help desk team activity to deliver their technology support. So as I mentioned, it will first start with intern or apprentice, but once you get confirmed, then your salary can be 8 lakhs and above. And these are some more work: assist in the ISO audit, you have to work on the learning and development, ready to work from office, right? So 3 days will be in the office at least, basic understanding of ITIL or Oracle applications. You should also be aware of cloud infrastructure services. You should have additionally good a strong English language proficiency, and responsibility include identify and diagnose issues and problems, provide online security advice and support, and you will act as a point of contact to support service users and deliver customer service through multiple channels like human, digital, self-service, automated way, and you will receive and handle requests for service according to different procedures. Now it is for freshers, graduate, as well as 2024 pass out. That means 2025 batch and 2024 batch students can apply, and any degree from recognized university is sufficient for this. So if you want to apply, itron.wd5 workday Itron jobs India Bangalore apprentice, you can see JR1011000. So that is a direct link where you can apply and submit your application for this open position. So that's all I have to cover in this video. Thanks for watching, and please do subscribe channel to get similar updates on internship and apprentice across all the companies in Bangalore and across India. Take care and bye.